Happening right now on the BB Naija Lockdown House. Nengi and Kaisha fight. Nengi rigs strike after pushing Kaisha during heated arguments. Big Brother Naija housemate Nengi may be issued a strike for shoving fellow housemate Kaisha during an argument. The issue began when Kaisha said she saw water plugged in but wasn't boiling and decided to fix it properly. However, Nengi, who thought she disconnected it, faulted her action. This led to both housemates hurling insults at each other while others tried to separate them. Nengi said, "Kaisha, go and work on your character. You're shapeless." Kaisha responded, "Go and work on your face like you worked on your ass. You are useless, attention-seeking girl." Nengi also shouted at Kaisha repeatedly to get out of her face, but she refused. Nengi then shoved her out of her way. The punishment for such violent act is uncertain at the moment, as Biggie is yet to address the alteration. However, it will be noted that the Big Brother Naija house rule frowns against any act of violence or provocation, because a similar incident led to the disqualification of ex-Big Brother housemate Tasha. Biggie had disqualified her for provocation and violence during a fight with the winner of the show, Mercy Ike. So guys, the house is becoming very hot right now. This Kaisha and Nengi's fight is the latest fight in the Big Brother Naija house, and it just happened this afternoon. Yeah guys, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If it's your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.